Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for September 20th through October 4th. For September 20th to the 25th, for the 20th to the 24th, we have a western trough here that will gradually move eastward as this ridge here builds east also and pushes it further into the east, but this trough doesn't show up till later on, so we'll show that. So we go to the 24th, and this is what we're looking for, and we still have our ridge here building across Mexico into the southern plains above normal heights with a ridge over the east and eastern Canada. So ahead of this trough, there will be a front will cause rain and thunderstorms in the central states. And we'll go here. Let me see, 20th, 24th. This is a GFS. You'll see there'll be rain and storms here, maybe snow in the higher elevations. And then we'll have a front that will stall across the south. Across this area here, and that'll be here across Florida later in the period, and that could bring heavy rainfall to that region across Florida. Okay, we're going to look at the period for September 25th to 29th. And now here our ridge building in there. Here's our trough, and we look at the rest of the models. Kind of more zonal with above normal heights. So the GFS brings a trough into the east. We'll look at the GFS. You see here, whoops. You see our trough right here as it comes into the east. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies to be up to 8 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence 35%. Below normal precipitation for this region. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Looking at the period now for September 30th to October 4th. Now we see the GFS brings this trough in as this ridge lifts to the north. But the other models have a tendency for a trough in the east, especially here. If you look at the European ensembles, here's our ridge, here's our trough right here. So, but the GFS remains the most aggressive with this pattern. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here and for this region, and anomalies forecast to be up to 8 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this region here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. We're going to take a quick look at the tropics. We don't have much going on, and we'll show you right here. All we have here is the remnants of Gordon right here, and this forecast to move northward and merge with another non-tropical low later, and a tropical storm could redevelop by the weekend. So it remains pretty quiet here. We'll take a look at a quick satellite loop. See this low here is supposed to merge with this low, and our system is inland here, which is bringing the heavy rain to parts of the lower Appalachians. So, okay, it's a rather short forecast. That's it for today. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.